Two's Company concert of 2050. Can I ask you to show your appreciation? For those of you who are regular attenders at the Town Hall, you'll have noticed a difference in the lighting system. Brand new, just installed, a new LED system. It's taking a little bit of getting used to, but under the capable hands of the gentleman who's been helping us tonight, Alan Walker. And all the great help that we get from the Town Hall staff, and ably looked after by Jean Young tonight. Thank you, Jean. And all the folk who have helped make it such a memorable concert. First of all, our piper, Andrew Spence. Our two wonderful bands. First of all, the Doon Valley Brass under the direction of Ian Taylor. There's the full orchestra. And we in the background, David Miller. But ladies and gentlemen, we've saved the best till last. We're all on stage now, and a warm round of applause please for our two enthusiastic choirs. First of all, Heathfield Primary and the Catholic Church. And Glenmore Primary and the direction of Karen Hamilton. Last year we finished Two's Company with a memorable performance of Sky Boat Song, and we couldn't think of anything better than to repeat that tonight. Have your tissues at the ready, ladies and gentlemen, as all the instrumentalists and singers join together with the Sky Boat Song.
I'm frightened that stand on someone. Please sorry if I do.